Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Mania. Today we see how to use sum if formula in MS Excel. Here we see there are three columns A, B, C, serial number, state and population. But we want to make a separate total of each state. To using the sum if formula is equal to type sum if in bracket, select the area of the range, comma, select the each one state, comma, select the population of some range, then close the bracket. Drag down up to the end. Here we see a correct total 69,37,000 as per the sheet. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.